Welcome to course on machine learning in Elasticsearch. In this lecture, we are just going to learn about how machine learning can be used inside Elasticsearch. So obviously we are going to install first Elasticsearch and index a sample set of documents in the Elasticsearch. We will learn about how to install Elasticsearch and how to index the documents. Then I'll introduce you to Cubana, which is a very powerful analytics and the visualization platform for the data available in Elasticsearch. So using Cubana, you can visualize and create dashboards that you can see the trends on your data. Like let's say if you are just creating, if you have the data in Elasticsearch that talks about real estate market, how the prices are varying over a period of time, you can do that. You can plot a dashboard using Cubana, right? So Cubana is a visualization platform, and machine learning is basically a way where you can learn based on the data rather than the rules. So for example, let's say if you have a real estate data and you have the prices of the houses, let's say in various states of USA, and you also have the historical data to see how the prices have been varying. So one way of programming that is using rule based. Let's say you can factor in number of bedrooms, the square feet of the house, the location, and you can create a formula, right? But that formula may not always stick. From time to time, you have to vary. You have to update the formula. So there is a lot of manual intervention. So instead of that, machine learning helps the machine learn about the actual formula that is to be used based on the previous data, and the machine automatically keeps updating that formula based on the pattern it's learning. So you don't have to explicitly program your machine to say how the real estate price is computed based on the number of factors like number of bedrooms and the location and also the square feet size of the house. The machine will do it for you, and just by learning from the previous data, right? So that's why the machine learning is very powerful. Now when it comes to Elasticsearch, machine learning can be used to find anomalies in your time series data, and then we will learn uh, basically anomaly detection will help you find the abnormal variation in your data. Let's say the real estate prices is fluctuates between 100K to 200K for a given set of house with a, let's say, 3 bedrooms, California, Bay Area, right? And it has been varying between 300K to $1 million, let's say for the past 10 years. But suddenly you can see if there is a price jump of $1 million, let's say 2 million, that will be treated as an anomaly, and machine learning in Elasticsearch will help you find those anomalies automatically. So there are various ways of doing that. We learned about the single metric job, the multi-metric job, and we will also that can be used to find the anomalies of your existing data. And then we will also learn about how you can forecast the anomalies in the future data uh, based on the patterns in the current data, right? So that's what we are going to learn in this particular course.